Few nuts capture the world's attention quite like the pistachio. Known for its vibrant green color, unique flavor, and remarkable health benefits, it has become one of the most beloved snacks on Earth. While pistachios have ancient roots in the Middle East today, the United States stands as the leading global producer. California's Central Valley is the heart of this industry, providing more than 1 billion pounds each year, nearly 40% of the world's supply. The combination of rich soil, cold winters, and long hot summers has made this region the perfect home for pistachio cultivation. Beyond its cultural appeal, the pistachio is big business. In recent years, the U.S. pistachio crop has reached values close to $2 billion annually, fueling exports to Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. But behind every roasted nut on store shelves lies a long and intricate journey, one that begins with years of patience in the orchard and ends with cutting-edge processing technology in modern factories. Today we'll uncover the full cycle: how pistachios are planted, nurtured, harvested with powerful machines, and carefully processed to maintain their quality before reaching consumers around the world. The life of a pistachio tree begins with patience. Unlike many crops that bear fruit quickly, pistachios require between 5 and 7 years before they begin to produce a meaningful harvest. In California's Central Valley orchards are established using grafted saplings. Scions from high-quality varieties are carefully attached to hardy rootstocks that can resist pests and adapt to local soils. This ensures consistency in both yield and nut quality. Before planting, farmers till the land, deeply breaking up the soil to improve drainage and aeration. Pistachios thrive in a mix of sandy loam and clay enriched with organic material. Wooden stakes mark precise planting spots, usually 5 to 7 meters apart, giving each tree ample room to grow. Planting machines and crews then set each young tree into holes around 60 centimeters deep, gently securing them to stakes for upright growth. Once in the ground, water management becomes the orchard's lifeline. Young trees in California's hot summers may need up to 50 gallons of water a day. To deliver this efficiently, farmers rely on drip and micro-irrigation systems that provide moisture directly to the roots while minimizing waste. Nutrition is equally critical. Throughout the year, farmers test both soil and leaves to tailor fertilizer applications, ensuring a balance of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. This precision agriculture allows the trees to grow steadily and prepare for heavy yields in the future. Maintenance never stops. Trees are regularly pruned to create open canopies that let in sunlight and air, lowering the risk of pests and diseases. Sprayers distribute protective treatments when necessary, safeguarding the orchards from insects and fungal threats. By early spring, the trees wake from their winter dormancy. In late March and April, flower buds open, releasing clouds of pollen. Unlike many other crops, pistachios don't rely on bees. Instead, the wind itself pollinates the groves, fertilizing flowers and setting the stage for the developing nuts. By late August and into September, California's orchards signal the arrival of harvest season. The once green pistachio clusters have matured, their shells hardened and naturally splitting open, the surest sign that the nuts are ready. In the past, farmers had to climb trees and hand-pick the bunches, a slow and labor-intensive process. Today, technology has transformed the harvest. Large mechanical shakers equipped with padded arms embrace the trunk or main branches of each tree. With a controlled burst of vibration, the machines shake thousands of pistachios loose in seconds. Instead of falling to the ground, the nuts land on V-shaped catch frames positioned beneath the tree. From there, conveyors transport them into bins mounted on the back of the machine. This reduces contamination, minimizes bruising, and speeds up the entire process. Each shaker can clear dozens of trees per hour, making it possible to harvest millions of pounds across vast orchards in just a few weeks. Because pistachios can stain if the outer hulls remain too long. On the shells, speed is essential. Many farms operate around the clock during harvest season, ensuring nuts are collected and moved quickly. Once a bin is full, tractors and trailers rush the load to nearby processing plants, where the next stage begins almost immediately. This combination of advanced machinery and non-stop operations has turned what was once backbreaking work into a highly efficient system. One that preserves both the quality and value of every pistachio. The moment pistachios leave the orchard, the race against time continues. Within hours of harvest, trailers deliver fresh nuts to massive processing facilities where technology and human oversight combine to protect quality. The first step is cleaning. Conveyors carry the pistachios through pits blowers and rotating brushes that remove leaves, twigs, and dust. Strong jets of water wash away any remaining hull residue without damaging the shells. This immediate cleaning is essential to prevent staining and preserve the natural cream color of the shell. Next, the nuts move into screening and drying systems. Vibrating screens separate debris and size sort the nuts, while drying units reduce moisture to safe levels for storage. Maintaining the right balance is critical. Too much moisture invites mold, too little affects flavor and texture. Advanced facilities use digital cameras and X-ray scanners to inspect each nut. The machines detect imperfections, cracks, or contaminants invisible to the human eye. Only the highest quality pistachios pass, while others are diverted for secondary uses such as kernel extraction. After mechanical sorting workers perform a final manual inspection, trained eyes pick out any substandard nuts that slipped through the system, ensuring the final product meets strict food safety and export standards. The nuts are then grated. Naturally, split pistachios, the most prized, are separated from those still closed. Unshelled pistachios may be mechanically cracked to release the kernels, which are also sorted by size and color. Finally, the cleaned and grated nuts are moved into giant silos, some as tall as apartment buildings, where they can be safely stored at controlled temperatures. From here, pistachios may be packaged raw, roasted, salted, or processed further, depending on market demand. Once the pistachios are cleaned, dried, and sorted, the final stage is packaging. Automated weighing systems ensure each bag or container holds the exact amount, whether it's a small pouch for retail shelves or a bulk shipment for international markets. Precision is key. Every gram must meet customer expectations and strict export regulations. The nuts are then vacuum sealed or packed in airtight bags to preserve freshness. Larger shipments are boxed, palletized, and moved into cold storage warehouses where temperatures are carefully kept between 40 and 45 degrees. This environment slows oxidation and helps pistachios maintain their flavor for months. From here, the journey continues across the globe. Some pistachios are roasted and salted, destined for snack lovers. Others are processed further into kernels for use in pastries, ice creams, or even pistachio butter. Whatever the form, each product carries with it the story of years of care and innovation. The pistachio's journey is more than farming. It's a blend of patience, technology, and tradition. Farmers wait years for trees to bear fruit, invest in high-tech harvesters to collect nuts at their peak, and rely on advanced processing plants to maintain world-class quality. So the next time you crack open a pistachio shell, or enjoy a dessert flavored with this distinctive nut, remember the unseen hands and machines behind it. From California's orchards to your table, every pistachio represents a cycle of dedication and renewal, proof that even the smallest nut can tell a big story.